I'm going to be showing you a really simple updo to do today. And I actually did this updo. I decided the day of my one prom to go. And it was right after my SAT, so I threw this together real quick and it actually looked really cute. So to begin, I'm just taking the hair completely in half, nothing crazy, not making a really neat part in the back, just kind of splitting it off. And then I'm going to take 2 little rubber bands and make sure before this was the doll that I curled that your hair has like a little bit of texture to it so it kind of stays. It doesn't have to be curled, but just make sure it's not completely straight or perfectly clean, because then it might not look as piecey. So I take a little ponytail in the back and do kind of like these little pigtails to each side, and I make them pretty close together. And I just kind of pull them to give a little bit of fluff. And then I take these two and I just bring them together. And depending how long your hair is, for someone like with hair this length, I would put it where there's about 2 inches maybe on the ends. So then you have your 2 pigtails, and then the pigtails put together, and then you're just gonna wrap it and roll it up like this. And then you're going to take some bobby pins. And if you want to, depending if you like curled your hair or what, you can have like little pieces falling down, or if you have layers in your hair. It just kind of depends what your hair's like and if it's thicker or thinner, because this doll has pretty thick hair actually. So I'm just going to put a couple up on the side so it's not too tight, not too loose. And then I like to have a couple pieces down in the front to give it more of that kind of romantic looking, glamorous effect. It's not the most crazy thing, but it's just something cute and simple and really quick.